When we look at poverty, which is a key area of focus for us at Synergos, most people look at the dimensions that are focused on material lack.
Within measuring poverty, there are some of the dimensions that are not being looked at. Social connectedness is one of those dimensions, so not just the economic situation, but also at a well-being level, and look at a person holistically when you look at poverty.
So that's what we really focus on. Who are leaders and resources within the community that can build these kind of meaningful relationships with children that creates more resilience, not just in the children, but in the community as a whole.
Within the Social Connectedness program, we've identified a few partners that we work with. We're integrating social connectedness into their programs.
So what Synergos does is take these young people, train them, put them in a primary school where they will serve between grade 4s and 7. So they'll be mentoring those kids. Most of our lessons, like I mentioned earlier on, is that we make them fun. They learn through play. And they don't necessarily become our friends, but they become comfortable with us, where it's easier for them to talk just about anything.
It's a big brother, big sister relationships that help the children have someone to depend on, someone to talk to, and someone they can turn to share what's happening in their daily lives.
The REPSI is a regional organization working in 13 countries of East and Southern Africa. Our focus is psychosocial support.
At REPSI, we're developing tools on how to run practical social connectedness activities. NACOSA is a network of HIV/AIDS organizations, and they support communities and community-based organizations in terms of implementing HIV/AIDS related programs. They run community dialogues. They also run childcare forums and circles of support.
For me, it's also not just the children, the caregivers, the care workers, but it's also those community-based organizations that we work with. How socially connected are they within themselves and amongst each other?
The Othandweni GoGo's program is a program where grandmothers from the Soweto community have been identified and matched with the children in the orphanage. Research has shown that old people and children are the most vulnerable in terms of experiencing isolation. So the GoGo's program gives an opportunity for both the children and the GoGo's to build these relationships.
They don't feel lonely because we play with them, we do activities with them, we make them feel at home, we make them feel accepted, feel that they are being loved, feel that they are not alone.
We need to move beyond coping. We need to get to thriving. We need children who are doing well, not just surviving and keeping going.